So when you're planning your affiliate revenue targets, you want to incorporate them to your overall estimates for your entire annual revenues and profits. And that doesn't include the differentiation between revenue and profit here, because it's just a really simple map to help you getting an overview of how this can be done. And why this is important, obviously. So you have your annual targets breakdown into monthly and weekly. You could say, for example, that was revenue, and you could do a separate one for just the profit. And then you have here the differentiation between what of that you are going to earn directly through approaching your clients directly yourself, and what your affiliates will be earning. So I took a certain percentage for year one, which is 80% directly and 20% through affiliates. This can change in year two. So here in 2020, for example, you'll see it's 60-40, because your affiliates will trust you more. They will definitely be more affiliates, hopefully. And it's gonna just increase being easier to help your affiliates making those sales. So you gotta also want to break this down into annual, monthly, and weekly for both your clients and your affiliates, so you have a full overview of how much revenue your affiliates need to create every week, and how you can hit those targets. To go more into depth, and again, this is a very simplified version of what you could do. So for example, you have 3 clients per week, and there are a couple of affiliates, maybe 1, maybe 2 per week that you're in connection with, and then it depends very much on the product packages that you're selling. So I've assumed that the product packages here are medium ranked, I would say. So the first client pays $1,600 for one product. The second client $1,500, and the third client also $1,500. You might have a lot less lower priced products, and therefore you need to, for example, incorporate that, or maybe you have one client buying 5 of your lower priced products, so that would go in here. This is one only each. Same with your affiliate. Your affiliate sells a $1,300 product, and again, like, this is really dependent on how many products you have and what the price range is of those. That will create those numbers, and then you add them to a sum, which in this week is $5,900, and our target is $5,769. So that works really well. In this case, in this week, you have hit your numbers, and you do that for every week and for the entire month, and then so slowly start tracking what your affiliates need to be earning and what you need to hit every month and every week. So I hope that was a good introduction into how you can calculate your cash flow, and also to find out more about how many affiliates you actually need. So I've written 3 here, but actually one affiliate was plenty because he made this entire product sell. It could be that you need 3 affiliates, and they each have, only smaller products, and kind of like need to sell more of those. It might be also that there's only 1 or 2 affiliates, and they're really good at selling those highly priced products because they are so familiar with your work. So that's giving you a good overview and an idea of how you can work it backwards from the annual revenues. And so nothing stands in the way of helping you to bring those numbers in.